Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking the KSM-66 label and noting the mg per capsule so you dose precisely. Once confirmed, take your first dose with a light meal or 250-300 ml of water to improve absorption. You're not waiting. Start low, half to 1 capsule, usually 150-300 mg, in the evening to favor sleep and stress response. This first step seeds the routine and lets you gauge tolerance. Keep a short daily log of mood, sleep, and any mild side effects. You continue by gradually increasing to the target range after 1 to 2 weeks only if tolerated, moving to 1 to 2 capsules, 300-600 mg daily. Once done, decide timing. Keep single evening dosing for sleep or split morning and evening for steady daytime benefits. Make sure to track sleep, stress, energy, and libido in a simple diary. This informs adjustments every 2 weeks. If combining with caffeine, space doses apart. If taking medications, consult a clinician before raising dose. You finish by committing to a 6-12-week window to evaluate full benefits. Ashwagandha's effects build gradually, so consistency matters. If you notice stomach upset, excessive sleepiness, or jitteriness, reduce your dose or pause for 3 to 7 days and resume lower. Make sure to consult a clinician before using if pregnant, nursing, or on thyroid or psychiatric medications because interactions matter. A quick troubleshooting tip: if sleep worsens, move dosing earlier or cut the evening dose in half.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.